Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to revamp that old wig and turn it to a new wig, just like you're seeing right now. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, my name is Ada and I am a hairstylist and a makeup artist, and of course I am going to be teaching you how to revamp your wig. If you have any old wig that you're tired of and you feel like, oh, I'm about to trash this wig, maybe just give it a try this first and then see if you still want to trash that wig. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in and supporting your girl. Thank you guys so much for always rocking with me. So I started off by washing the wig with my shampoo, of course. You guys, this hair is so good. I've had this hair for I think this is close to 2 years now, and you guys need to see this. The quality of the hair and everything is just so good. And as you guys know, I finally started my business, BBA Hair Collection, where I sell this type of stuff, all the good things that you know think of hair care. My hair collection consists of virgin hair, closures, frontals. I do bundles, I do wigs, I sell bonnets, I sell edge control and combs, you know, detangle combs and precise parting combs and all that good stuff that you would like. I have all that. I have lashes and everything. I'll leave my website. I'm still like in the process of launching, but I'll leave my website down below so that you can subscribe to my email list and you'll be the first to know when I launch. So you guys, this hair is 2 years old, practically 2 years old. So after washing the hair, it was so dirty. After washing it, I don't know why my camera didn't get that, but after washing it, I conditioned it, and then you don't use your blow dryer. I air dry. That is the best way to get your best results. I air dry my wigs. I don't have to use a dryer and all that. So I left it to air dry. I think I left this wig for about 3 days to air dry. That is why custom wigs take so long, you know. So I left it to air dry, and you can see how it comes out easily, like it comes out effortlessly. It doesn't have any problems, no tangles and not too much. Like I don't even think I saw any shade in this wig right here. So this is what you will need. You will need your, what's it called, heat resistance. I keep forgetting names of things whenever I'm trying to say something. And this particular one that I use, if you're going to use this, I don't know if I can find it so I can put it in the description box, but if you're going to use this, make sure you use just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. Like I was like, ooh, and then just by applying this, look how my wig turned out. Look at how shiny it is, how shiny and beautiful it makes your wig. That's one thing I like about this particular one. And after that, I went in with the Chi heat resistance. This one I didn't necessarily need to use this one, but I actually used it because I love the smell. It was smelling so good. I just had to spray it on there, and I was like, oh my god, this smells so good. I just sprayed a little bit on there just to give my wig that nice smell. So this is my BBA collection precise parting comb, which I'll be using today to work on this wig. So that is what my parting comb looks like. It's BBA hair collection. I can't wait, you guys. I am so excited. I can't wait to launch so that you guys will see everything, all the good things that I have going on. I can't wait to launch, honestly. And then I am also in the market for another straightener, like the one that hits up to 450. Like literally the one that hits up so good. I am in the market for another straightener, another blow dryer, What else? Another cramper. I'm just in the market. So if you know the best ones out there, if you know anyone that you're using that is really good, please do leave it in the comment section below. I would really appreciate that, you guys. So please leave in the comment section. So you need your, what is it called, your hairpin, to, because you need to just part, you need to take your time. This is one thing you have to do if you want that wig, sis. If you want that wig to look good, if you want that to revamp that wig real good, you need to take your time. You don't have to rush it. You don't rush it. So you can see the way I took my time, and I'm doing it just part by part, and I even see me going in several times on the same side, just to make sure that it gives me the real result that I want. So you really need to take your time and do this. If you can't, if you feel like it's not worth the stress for you, you can give it to someone, a stylist or someone who does wigs, revamping and all that. Yeah, I do wig revamping. So if you're in the Tulsa area, baby, I got you. So if you feel like you can have it, I have the, people always say I have to, yeah, I have the patience, because I love doing it. It's like my passion. So I love doing all this beauty stuff, making things look beautiful. That is why I chose makeup and hair. So because it makes people beautiful, so it is what it is. So I guess that's why I'm so patient when it comes to all these things. Can you feel that hair? Can you feel that texture? Like, are you seeing that? Are you looking at that right now? Sis, let me tell you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do go ahead and subscribe, because this 2021 I am bringing more content. So please go ahead and subscribe and join the family. You're welcome to my channel. Go ahead, subscribe, smash that notification bell as well, so you don't miss my next upload. Yeah, so I keep going in side, part by part, no rush. Just do your thing, and you will thank yourself later, because the results will definitely be there. So you will enjoy it at the end of the day. So subscribe if you have not subscribed. Welcome to my channel. You're welcome to stay. Welcome. You're welcome to stay. So you can see me going in several times, you know, going in and going in and going in. I just kept on going in severally, just to make sure I get a good result. It takes time, it takes patience, but you just have to do it. So now to the parting part. This is where I use my BBA hair collection precise parting comb, because this gives your hair a clean part. Like, it has, you know, it's precise. It is what it is. It is the name. It is what it is. So right here I'm supposed to use a hot comb, but I ordered a hot comb and it hasn't come in yet. So I just had to make do with what I had. I had to use my flat iron this way to do it. But definitely when my flat comb comes in, I'm still going to go in with it. I don't know, I guess because of this Rona thing, everything is just getting so delayed. The delivery, they kept on moving it. I got tired. I was like, I'm supposed to film this video, what am I supposed to use? I was like, I'll go ahead and do it anyways, it doesn't matter. So at this point, what I'm doing now is supposed to be doing it with either your electric hot comb or whatever you're using. Yeah, but I don't have one, so I had to improvise and use what I have. You guys, I kept on going in and in and in. I felt like it wasn't enough. But after the whole thing, that was when I saw that I really did a good job. It was okay, like it was enough, but I'm maybe a little bit of a perfectionist, so look at the texture of the hair. Just look at that, you guys. Just look at that. Can you beat that? Just look at that. So if you want this type of hair, if you want this quality of hair, you need to shop BBA hair collection. I have all the best quality that you can ever imagine. So I went ahead, you know, when you've had a wig for so long, you have some of it, like you have you know, this is supposed to be like a bob, you know, like a bob cut. So I went ahead and trimmed it down a little bit, like any hairs that are not like aligned the way it's supposed to be, I went ahead and trimmed that off. So I'm using my Nairobi foam mask. This I'm going to be using in the part because I want to get a precise, like a very clean part. So, and then this also helps to hold down the hair, you know, make it relax and look good, so look more natural. So that is why I used this Nairobi foam mask. So as you can see, I'm using my BBA hair collection precise parting comb to part and make sure that the part is straight. So if you've gotten to this point of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Of course, I know this video helped you, so let it also help other people. Share this video with your friends and family. Please do go ahead and share. It is free. Share this video, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this wig transformation, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video, and do not forget to shop BBA hair collection if you're looking for your wig, for your precise comb, for your edge control, like the one that your edges are not going nowhere. I have the best edge controls. I have the best beautiful bonnets. I have so many things, a whole lot, lashes and all that. You need to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Thank you. Bye.